Hi, I'm Justin Ball, the owner of the HammerHead store and HammerHead Showers. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change out your old shower arm and flange using HammerHead Showers all metal shower arm and flange. We got a stainless steel shower arm and solid brass flange that are built to last. Really thick material here so it can withstand the test of time. I'm going to walk you through exactly what you need for installation, show you how to remove this one, and then get this one installed. It's going to be pretty simple. Follow me and we'll get into it. So what you have here for installation, your shower arm, flange, and this hex wrench, and this will be included and used for tightening down this locking screw in here so it bites onto the shower arm so it never slides off. Thread tape, you'll have thread tape included, a cloth just to go over right there so this little screw doesn't fall out, a little wire brush, and a screwdriver. Okay, let's take this old one off, screwdriver. Okay, you'll just stick the screwdriver right in there for some leverage and you'll just work it off of the wall. Okay, all right. Now, one nice feature about the HammerHead Showers shower arm is the flange. All right, the flange is 2.5 inches wide, so it covers more than the previous flange did. This is just about 2.25 inch. That way, this nasty hole in the wall will be fully covered up with our flange, and this is honestly a bigger hole than you'll see out there. So, oversized flange, and it's very solid and has that locking screw. Before we go ahead and get this going, what I like to do is just take a wire brush and just clean out in there, okay? And then I'll just grab this. Now that we're ready to install this, slide the shower flange over and we'll add the thread tape, okay? Now with this side, with the end of the shower arm pointing away from you, okay, you want to go counterclockwise, okay? That way, when you're threading it into the wall, the thread tape doesn't come undone, okay? All right, so imagine you're threading into the wall, it's just keeping it nice and flat and smooth, okay? So there you go. Get that started in the wall. Beautiful. Okay. Rest the flange right there. Now, once you have the arm in, before tightening the flange down, what I like to do is just run water through it and just take a look in the wall and see if there's any water leaking out of it. Also good to just flush the lines. Now, turn that down a little bit. Normally, you'll see a little bit of water dribbling out in there, but we're not seeing anything. It's kind of hard to get a look quite in there, but often you'll see a little bit of water kind of beading off of there, but best to get a flashlight and look right in there and just make sure it's watertight before continuing. Okay, so now it's been water tested. Go ahead and slide the flange on there. I'll actually just get the Allen on there and then see, that's not going anywhere, okay? So there you have it, fully installed. Now from here, just get your favorite silicone and bead right around there and let that dry, and you'll have a watertight seal so no water gets in behind the wall should any spray go back this way. So there you have it, the HammerHead Showers all metal shower arm and flange. I'm Justin Ball, the HammerHead guy, signing out for now.